Hello everybody, this is Scott, and I want to give you a really quick tour of our classroom website. This is for all classes that I have on in person with an online component. So just we'll be doing a lot of work in class, but I will have set up this website on eperalta to help record some stuff. So here's just a quick tour. Here's kind of the introduction area. And in this area, this is where a lot of the information is in the introduction. Here's a link to my blog. If you click on this image, it'll go to my blog, and I'll talk more about that in another video. But I have a lot of stuff there. A few things. One is news forum. I will post news about the class in that forum. If there are any changes to assignments and that kind of thing, I'll post stuff there. If you have questions you have for me, you can post them there. And that way, if you have a question that other people have, I can answer it and everyone will get the answer. The other part of it is that if you know the answer, you can always post a response, and that will help get the information out to everyone else really quickly. Chat rooms and office hours. I will have office hours online and in person, and I'll explain more about that later. This is where a chat room is. I may change the format for that later. And here's some resources that I'll talk about when we get into grammar. For each unit, I have a section of class. The first unit for this particular class, this is an English 1A class, is the personal statement. And there'll be a description at the beginning, and then below that will be all of our class agendas. And you can click through this, and for each day of class I'll have an agenda of the day, what we did, the homework that you will have to do for the next class, and then the homework that is due, and then the learning objectives. And so if you miss a day, you'll be able to scroll through these agendas to see what we missed. And I also take notes for class on that. Below that will be a book. This will have descriptions of what we're learning, and then this discussion board will be something that I'll assign. So for instance, in this class I've asked everyone to write the story of their most significant learning experience. And what happens with the discussion is that everyone gets to write something, and you get to read what everybody else writes and respond to each other, which is great. Okay, that's for the class, taking the class. Here's some other important things here. One is your profile. So if you click on profile, you can put up a picture of yourself. I'd like everyone to put a picture of themselves, and then you can edit your profile and write a little description about yourself, and that'd be great to do, so we can all know who you are. And the last piece that's really important are your grades. If you click on this thing, you'll see what is the grade item, so the name of the assignment, the grade, the range of points that you can get, the percentage that you received, and any feedback that I give you there. This is what we'll be using to grade all of your homework for the class, so make sure you check this regularly so you can see what you're missing or what your score is for your homework, and we can talk about it if I've missed a grade or something like that. Alright, that's it, and enjoy the class. Take care.